Welcome again to AgriSolutions PH, Ato Nibay. As we reach the era of the modern world, everything seems to be easier to handle. It became more and more advanced every day, and as advanced technology continues to rule, some of the basic were given importance. In this episode, we will be showing you the technology we are utilizing in the midst of the pandemic. Details to details, we will capture another bright side of a coconut tree as it produces another source of living as its waste turns into environmentally friendly product, creating market and employment in the community. Join me and let's explore how it happens. As coconut palm tree reaches its peak production time, it continuously produces yield every season. This cycle also leads to bunches of cocoa husk. Many considers this husk as trash piled in one area and let decompose, while others burn it. In AgriSolutions, we collect it and utilize in our plant. The husk we collected will be processed using our available machines. After collecting cocoa husk and transferred in our plant, these raw materials will now be processed to produce products. Using the corticating machine, two products are produced. During extraction process of cocoa fiber, the byproduct is the non-fibrous lightweight called cocopeat. Cocoa fibers are used as cocoa lugs for slow protection. The cooperative installs coconuts and cocoa lugs as bioengineering project both in government and in private sectors. Non-fibrous cocopeat are then stacked in piles for many years. As fibers are extracted and produced, cocopeats are stored.
Nakalawang doon.
This cocopeat byproduct can provide soil structure, drainage, and aeration to keep plants healthy. It is organic and environmental friendly substrate, as many consider it as a green add in soil. fresh cocoa husk can also produce another product called Cocochips. Cocochips are cube-like chips with about 8 to 10 mm in size. These can be packed in sacks and sold to local market. Another way, it is dried and pressed in grow bag machine to produce grow bags. Cocochips are added to potting soil or mixed with cocopeat to regulate the aeration of growing medium and maintain the ideal air to moisture ratio for the plant roots. Both Cocopeat and Cocochips products were sold in local and international field. Cocochips and Cocopeats are highly used as substitute to soil for planting. These hold an average of 8 times the volume of water and humidity, widely used because of its high holding capacity of water. It can be directly applied to plants. Sometimes, Cocopeats can be mixed with fertilizers as growing mix, used as soil for plant with different ratios depending on the plant requirement. Drip irrigation and hydroponics technology were practiced by the cooperative using the products. Harvested vegetables and other crops are packed and sold in the community and nearby local market. That's it. We have shown you the cycle on how we utilize waste into product. We've vastly introduced to you how Cocopeat and Cocochip helps in improving soil fertility. We are hoping that as we go deeper, we will be able to help you in developing your usual farming practice into more advanced systems of farming using our products. So for more details and more updates, please do like, share, and subscribe. Once again, this is AgriSolutions PH, Ato Nibay.